Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday. You guys know what that means. Hopefully, you guys are excited about another trading day. Today, we had basically retail sales information come out that already came out. And then tomorrow, we have FOMC minutes. So that's going to be major. That happens at 2 p.m. Eastern, right? So I think we got like 27 minutes to the bell. Let's get started. We're going to start off with NVIDIA. If we're looking at NVIDIA, this is the 20-day 1 hour. You guys can see we were extremely oversold yesterday. We had a nice pop held above the 20-day trade line. That is confirmation of bullishness. And you guys can see we continued that uptrend over here, kind of double topping over here. RSI is a little bit more on the overbought side. Again, this is the 20-day 1 hour. If we start to hold above 447, we could possibly start pushing up towards 455. Make sure you guys understand that we are overbought, meaning we are more in favor for a possible downtrend. So if we do start to break the 20-day trade line at 442, look for a break and hold underneath 442 before we can start basically going down towards 434. Make sure you guys keep that on watch. Let's jump over towards the 180-day on NVIDIA. 180-day, you guys can see that possibly has a little bit more room. We're still bullish. We're above the SMA. We have a lot of support to the downside. So make sure you guys keep aware and wait for key levels to be broken before you guys jump into this one. Next one we're going to talk about is Tesla. Tesla had a little bit of negative news. They're basically dropping prices of their overall products, but she is floating above that 238 support. If we look at the 1 year chart over here, remember the 1 year at 238 was basically some type of resistance and support before in the past around June. So let's go back over towards the 20-day. We're below the 20-day, we're below the 180-day. We're actually trying to get above the 20-day right now. So that is one sign of bullishness, right? So if we start to hold above 240, I think we could start pushing up towards 243. Make sure you guys keep that in mind. And to the downside, I want to see us hold below 237, and then we could start going down towards 236, maybe even lower, right? I think yesterday's low on Tesla was 236. So we want to see that break of 236, then we could retest 233. A lot of people took a loss on Tesla yesterday. I see a lot of traders posting on Instagram. They took a loss looking for that 233 break because 233 is a major gap down towards that 218. Make sure you guys keep an eye on Tesla overall. She is finding some type of support. Look like we're making higher lows over here. We may look to break that 240 to the upside and go towards 243. What do you guys think? Comment below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe as we jump into the last stock of the day. Of course, we're going to talk about SPY. SPY is finding some type of support over here at yesterday's lows. Yesterday's low on SPY was 445. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. 445 was yesterday's low. We're sitting right there, right? 445.03 was yesterday's low. So we need to break 445 before we can start going 443. Make sure you guys keep that and watch. I'm going to watch that today. We're below the 20-day trade line, right? If you look at over here, we're below this 20-day trade line. We're below the 180-day trade line as well, too. So keep that in mind. As long as we stay below these trade lines, we could have a bearish outlook, right? So make sure you guys keep that in mind. We're going to jump over towards the 15-minute chart, especially since we have maybe, I think, a few minutes before the bell. That 15-minute chart's a little bit more on the oversold side, meaning we're going to get an intermediate bounce. You can see we drop. We're going sideways. That means we found some type of support. We're going to get an intermediate bounce, and then we might start basically pushing up towards that 20-day trade line, maybe reject here, maybe continue the uptrend. You never know. So let's see what overall happens. But overall, we are oversold on the smaller charts. So we're going to bounce. We have major resistance levels to the upside around like 446, 447 levels. So let's see what happens if we bounce up, reject these levels, and come back down. Overall, that 1 year and the 180-day looks like it wanted to cross down. We're below the 180-day trade line. I wouldn't be shocked if we come up towards 446, reject that level, kind of like what we did yesterday, and come back down. What do you guys think? Comment below. Hopefully you guys found value in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Use a stop loss, practice safety, and leave a like and comment on the video. Peace.